Has Ice Blast at Blackpool Pleasure Beach finally been confirmed to be closing for good? Honestly, I'm very confused. We've had a very unanticipated development from the Pleasure Beach store, as they have revealed that they are selling what they claim to be the last flag from Ice Blast. I've not visited the park for a good couple of weeks now, but apparently since that visit, the flag from the top of Ice Blast has since been taken off, and hence it is now available to purchase from the park. And then if we look at the description on the Pleasure Beach store, which I'm not going to read out because I feel like it would just be wasting your time, I want to keep this short and sweet, and it's something that you could easily read in your own time. I'll put a link in the description. It really emphasises the fact that the flag has had a lot of wear and tear, and it clearly isn't fit for use anymore. Now, a retheme is possible. We may well be getting, I don't know, PlayStation 5 the ride. I mean, Amanda Thompson referred to it as being called the PlayStation earlier this year when she posted her tweet stating that it's coming back. And as I've said before, as soon as that scaffolding started to go up the structure, and it became clear that the workers were being pretty neat and tidy with their work, my theory started to change from that of that the ride is going to be getting removed because it had sat completely abandoned for many months prior, to that of it's going to be getting a full refurbishment. But the wording that the park have used of the last flag, when the flag was such an iconic part of Ice Blast, it just seems very deliberate. A retheme is possible. For example, if they were to retheme the ride back to having a PlayStation theme, or if they were to give it a retheme to fit in with the nearby Valhalla and Loki's Bar. If it was to have a Viking-esque stylisation, say, then obviously a Union Jack flag wouldn't be very fitting to have on the top of the structure, but it certainly could well be a hint that the ride is going to be closed for good and that it could be getting demolished. The big question on everyone's lips though, no pun intended, is with the big one, the park's biggest draw, having lost its unique selling point to Hyperia as it is no longer the UK's tallest operating roller coaster, will Blackpool Pleasure Beach attempt to reclaim the height record? Be sure to go and check out this video on the right side of your screen to hear my thoughts on the matter. And for more things theme park related in the UK and beyond, make sure you click the icon in the centre of your screen to subscribe.